Still not sure if golf club restoring and flipping is an honest, easy, and profitable side hustle? Then this one's for you. I will challenge myself to go from $10 to $500 during the golf off season. And because I'm a full-time working parent, I will limit myself to a 10-hour time investment. So stick around. I'll either convince you or we'll confirm together that this is not a viable side hustle. I just finished work, so we can get this challenge going. It doesn't give me much time to head to the thrift stores, but I found one on the way to the shop. I'll be maximizing my time. Just arrived at the thrift store. It's brand new, so I don't know what kind of stock I need to expect. I'm starting the timer now. I didn't start it when I started driving because, like I said, it was on my way to the shop. But I need to start it now so that at the end of the challenge, I can calculate my hourly wage. So as you can see, the only set they had was this 7-piece set for $13.99. So I'm gonna go to the thrift shop that is about 3 minutes away. I need to be quick because the counter is still on. Got our first challenge item, $5.99 plus tax. We're at $6.89, so we are in our starting budget. That was $10. It's the most ordinary putter you can find, but the shaft is new and you can tell the grip has never been played with. So we're going to try to put emphasis on that when we put it on sale. For it to stand out, we will have to be creative. So I'm thinking we're going to strip it and maybe give it a funky color. So I'm going to stop the clock now because I'm back on my regular daily route back to the shop, and I'll see you a little bit later in the Shining Shack. I started the clock again, so I need to be quick. We're going to start by spraying on some paint remover to remove the lettering paint and what seems to be a clear coat. I'm then going to stop the clock again, prep dinner for my family, and when I come back, we're going to brush off any old paint and head to the Shining Shack. I'm going to go for a full black putter with gold lettering, and we'll hope that this sells for $25. If you're wondering what happened here, let me explain. I tried to work too quickly, and I did not wait the recommended cure time of the paint. Therefore, when I added the lettering paint, it removed the black base paint. So I had to start over, head back to the Shining Shack, remove all the black paint, clean up the putter, and start over. Because time was running, I decided to sell the putter with no paint. Thank God the putter still sold. It sold for much under what I was initially planning on selling it for. It sold for $15. But I wasted a massive amount of time trying to work quickly. You know what they say, faster is not necessarily better. So for the next step, I'm gonna need to be much smarter. So let's recap. We started with $10, we spent $6.89, leaving us with $3.11. I put back in the flip jar $15, so we now have $18.11. So stick around, because next week we're continuing this challenge.